right, so this is a time lapse, 10 minutes. This is a 1.5 minute time lapse of real time elapsing 10, 1.5, 10 to 10 minutes down to 1.5. Of particular note is could be the number of cars that pass through this particular junction. From all directions, it'd be pretty easy to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Da, 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 da. Scanning ahead, scanning ahead. See, you can see the blurbs of traffic. You can see those buses. So those made pretty good time. We could count kind of how long it takes buses to go through. So here, see we've got them moving, then they stop for a time. This traffic bean thing that I want to talk about would basically create a first in, first out junction flow. So there wouldn't be stopping. Also, it would accommodate really well the BRT stuff that's being built. So we could time how long it takes that to go, for instance. We could also be calculating the wait time, like the total minutes generated in, I think you can see where I'm clicking by all the cars piling up here. Note that the intersection's empty a lot of the time. It has to be empty between light cycles. That's another, like it has high top speeds, but because of the need to empty the intersection between changes in light cycles, that really reduces the potential efficiency. Also, please note that left turns are tricky. This car, look at this junction right here, that car has to wait for a while as the cars behind it also have to stop waiting for a break in that incoming traffic. This kind of issue is alleviated with a little bit of a traffic bean. Also, these couple of cars piling up down here, that would all kind of be reserved. Now, so something was visible right there. That spurt of traffic that had to go through, same junction, only once traffic from the left and the right. This had to be broken in both directions for these people to go straight. So another layer of even counting all of this could be moving through a grid. I would love to create, you know, we don't even have to think about it. This is just one lens. I'm trying to justify, making a change on something. I just noticed my hammock is really prominent in the background. So these people are turning and going here. This one just turned around. Interesting. So these two cars, I wonder how long they waited here just to go a really short distance. That kind of thing. Let's go back to where they came from. Okay, it's the two white cars right here. Oh, there they go. And let's see when they get here. Okay, so they just come in from the bottom. They wait for a little while, and then they get to zip through. There's a lot of tricky one-way-ishness around here. We could do more storytelling from all of this for sure.